Well, welcome back, YouTubers. I think my kids really know me. Look at them. They got their little Black & Decker tools. My boy flipped over a Spider-Man car. And my daughter's over there helping. They're over there fixing. I don't know what they're doing. Looks like they're taking bumpers off, doors off, CV axles off. I think they're stripping. They're gutting that thing out. Back again. I know I haven't recorded in a while, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've got done. As you can see behind me, yes, you can see all that. I got it together. Yes, I know, guys. I didn't record any of me putting the head on or the intercooler kit and the rest of the crap out here. But I'm gonna tell you right now, we're 20 steps farther ahead, and we're 3 steps away from starting the car. So, as you guys can see, I'm gonna start off with the intercooler. This is a Black Horse Racing intercooler. They're based out of New Jersey and California. I got it shipped in 2 pieces. The intercooler came from Cali, and the intercooler piping came from New York, New Jersey area. As you can tell, it's 27 inches long. Well, it's 27 inches long, 7 inches tall, and 2 3/4 inches of thickness. The core is. It comes in a couple pieces. We're gonna start from the cold side. It's 2 inches in diameter. That goes to the cold side of the turbo. The rest of it's 2.5 inch. Comes back, used around, clamp down there, and it's back up to the intercooler. I mean, back to the intake manifold. This kit by far is the best kit I've bought off eBay. And this whole kit I pieced together. Later on I will guesstimate and add up everything that I've spent on the car. I have the fuel rail installed. Ended up making some brackets at work for them. I got the stock injectors in there for now, but I did order some RDX injectors. I did get the fuel pressure regulator mounted. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to mount it over here on the fuel itself, so I ran some extra AN lines. Mounted it right here. I say it's good and visible. I can see the pressure. Vacuum line is going to T-back off from the back to my boost gauge. Green wires for my oil signal. My boost gauge will go on that little T right there. I think I still have to wire the 2-plugger style IVAC on. Right now it's just not plugged in. I have to readjust the TPS sensor still. I installed my Password JDM 3-point strut bar. We did a new oil pump seal on here. I already put everything back together, but I did end up shimming the oil pump. And for shimming the oil pump, you're gonna take this Allen head plug off. Take that Allen head plug off. You're gonna have a spring. You're gonna have a spring and a piston in the plug itself. The plug itself is a certain diameter to where it will fit in the hole. So there's a guy on YouTube. His name is In the Fast Lane. He uses ring terminals to make the washers to up the to shim it. So you're gonna use these, which is 12 by 10 gauge 1/4 inch terminals. You're gonna drill them out a little bit, drill the hole out a little bit, and cut it out and make your washer. He said one washer by itself boosts it up 6 psi. So I put 2. I put 12 psi. Hopefully it boosts up 12 psi of oil pressure. You guys know that the Y7 and Y8 cranks are known for spinning rod bearings because the rod journal itself on the crank only has 1 oil galley. Not like the Z6. The Z6 has 2 oil galleys, so it's a straight through hole instead of just having one side shooting oil. This is why you want to up the oil pressure. So today I have to put the spark plugs in firing order. I got my manual boost controller here. As you guys see, I have a slim fan in there. It's not wired in yet. It's just in there, put up, so I can clear the turbo. Clear turbo. You see the wires is dangling right here. I have to wire them into the fan switch. So I gotta do that still. I'm waiting for my downpipe. Yeah, I get a special one. I was gonna make mine, but I think I'm gonna stay with the stock exhaust in the car. As you guys can see, back in the very back, right about there, I had to grind the block so I can fit this eBay special 50 trim. This turbo cost me alone $77 shipped to my house, so I can't beat it. Oh, right here I have the 4091s NGKs. These are the ones I've used through my tuner himself has used these because he couldn't remember the BKR 7Es, whatever they are, but I have those also. The part number for that one would be 4644. As you can tell, one is a resistor type spark plug and one is a non-resistor type spark plug. I really don't know the difference, but I know when I was at the dyno for my last car, which is the car that's in the beginning of the videos, I used the 4090 ones. So I see people use, I know they end up changing the stock number for the BKR 7Es a while ago, and if you guys are wondering the numbers, these are the two. They're both a 7 heat range. These are the two. One's a V-Power Racing, one's just a V-Power resistor type spark plug. They're NGKs. For the non-resistor ones, these ones, I got them off eBay. For both 8 of them, I think I paid like $9 shipped to my house. For one pack of the 4644s. BKR 7Es, I paid just for one pack is $9. So I mean, they're all gonna work. I always keep extras. I got my white throttle cable installed. It's a white throttle cable. Everything's brand new. I mean, everything's legit. Everything's done. Right now, I'm going to go and weld the oil bung. 10A, negative 10A, and fitting. This is a steel one. I paid for it separately. I had it. I've already stepped it down. I've already marked and ran my return on the car. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. The return's right there on top. The return is right there, that black line. I'm running AM fittings on everything just so make it looks good. I've already gotten everything in timing. So right now I'm going to go to Vato Zone, like Young Static says, and I'm going to get coolant, and I'm going to get oil. And then hopefully, we can start it today. But yeah, until then, you guys are going to have to stay tuned. You guys, this is the first crank. Everything's done. Here we go. By the way, I've already primed the oil pump a couple of times before I put the spark plugs and injectors back on. It's already built up oil pressure, and we're gonna give this a shot, see if it starts the first time. All right.
like and subscribe to the video, please. Give me a thumbs up, hit that, smash that like thumb, and show me what's up.